What is up, guys? MileHigh Aviation here, back at you guys with another airport update. Today we have Kona International Airport. This was requested by a fellow aviator, LAX _ international _ airport on Instagram. So please be sure to check him out if you haven't already. This airport has 10 gates and 1 international carrier. The rest just fly inter-island and out to the US. So I hope you guys will enjoy this airport update, so let's get straight into it. Starting off with this American 777-300, just getting ready to depart out to Dallas-Fort Worth. Next in line, we have a Delta 757-300. This aircraft is first in line for departure before it turns onto runway 2 for non-stop service out to Seattle. Just passing by the palm tree here, we have a Alaska 737-800. This aircraft will be heading out to Anchorage. Here we have a WestJet 767-300. Normally they just fly the plane 737-700 or 800 here, but it's just going to be operating for 800, I guess. But this aircraft will be heading out to Calgary. Starting off at Terminal 1, we have a Hawaiian 717. This aircraft is in the old livery and will be departing out to Honolulu. And then in front of that, we have the Hawaiian 717 in the brand new livery. This aircraft will be pushing back shortly for non-stop service out to Kahalui. And here we have a Hawaiian A321neo. This is also in the brand new livery, which looks really sharp on both of these planes. But this particular aircraft will be doing a non-stop flight out to Oakland. Next, we have a Alaska 737-900ER. This is in the Honoring Those Who Served livery and will be doing a non-stop flight out to Seattle. Next, we have a Southwest 737-800. This aircraft will be doing an inter-island flight, so I guess you could say this is kind of like the inter-island terminal, sort of, except for the last 2 planes, the Hawaii and Alaska. But this Southwest will be heading out to Kahalui or OGG. Starting off the next terminal, or you could say Terminal 2, I guess, we have a United 757-200. This aircraft will be heading for a non-stop flight out to Denver. Next, we have a United 737-800. This aircraft will be heading out to San Francisco. Next, we have a American A321. Now, before you guys bully me, I'm just kidding. But, yes, I know this one does not have sharklets. I actually ordered a American A321 in the stand-up to cancer livery by, like, NG Models. And they told me it was back-ordered, so I'm like, oh, thanks. So, unfortunately, that didn't make it to this airport update. But hopefully it'll make it to the final Kahalui or Honolulu. If I didn't mention that already, Kahalui will be ending and turning into Honolulu. So yeah, this airplane will be heading out to Phoenix. Next, we have a Japan Airlines 767. This aircraft is just getting catering, fuel, baggage on for a non-stop flight out to Tokyo. Now, this is not a new airplane. I might have used it in like one of the first ever airport updates of LAX. I actually got this 3 years ago from Easy Toys in San Diego, back when they had a storefront. So this will be used in Honolulu with addition of the Japan 787. So this airport will be very cool. I am ordering, some new models for it, and some that I use on Denver currently that don't go there, such as the C-17 Globemaster and the UPS 748 that usually does not go here, and if it does, it's a 744. They will be moving down to Honolulu, which in addition will make filming Denver airport updates a lot easier, because or not a lot, but slowly but surely, because it's always a pain in the butt to have to, do a 50-minute editing and everything, but yeah. Last but not least, of course, we had to put in the Hawaiian Airbus A330. This aircraft will be doing non-stop service out to Los Angeles. I did sort of fail to mention this airplane, but here we have a UPS MD-11F heading out to Honolulu which I saw on Flight Radar 24, and I thought, well, that's a little weird. So I'm assuming what they do is some flight to Honolulu with extended service out to somewhere else, but other than that, I can't really think of any reason to have a MD-11F go like 90 miles. But yeah. So yes, I would like to thank everybody who tuned into this airport update. This did take not a whole lot of work to set up, but it definitely wasn't the easiest airport to make. I do appreciate you guys coming to every video and giving continual support. Honolulu will be coming soon. Eventually I plan on redoing Denver. I did get MDF for it instead of Masonite. It's pretty much the same texture, but it should not bend or fold, or what's it called, flex, I guess you could say, up at Denver, so that's really good. So I really do recommend MDF port if you guys are building an airport. But I do appreciate all the subscribers I've been getting recently. I try my best to comment on your guys' videos as well. If I don't, just drop a comment down below and tell me. I would appreciate if you gave me more support on my videos, and I'll make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, which also I highly recommend you guys do, because the new Honolulu airport will be fantastic. So I'd like to thank all of you guys for coming to this airport update, and I will see you guys in the next airport update. Goodbye.